I beg for an e-cigarette. My hands are already sticky. No response when powered on.
通电没有反应。
This is the reality of a smoke gun. 2.13 volts. The voltage is incorrect. The output voltage is 3.2 volts. There's no problem here. The indicator light is flashing. Charging is normal. This e-cigarette has now been repaired. The main issue was that long-term inactivity caused the battery to seriously deplete. Now it shows no problems charging, but it drains quite quickly, and the battery will need to be replaced later. Others I haven't said much lately, because there's too much stuff. I can't keep up. There are also some big ones there. Repairing takes a bit longer, so don't worry. Wait a little longer. There are about 3 or 4 items left on the way.